So just wanted to say that for my birthday, the pickings are slim. Sally doesn't give a free coupon anymore for your birthday. Um, my local Sephora is in JCPenney, and they really didn't get any of the birthday gifts. So they just gave me this gift from 20 years ago. The Bum Bum cream, I use that as eye cream, but I can't use this on my eyes. It irritates, so it's a hand cream. So I'll just use it as hand cream. And then I went to Ulta, and the lady there she was like a passive aggressive type of person. So I got my facial cleanser, but honestly, I think I've said this before. I don't like when they do this. I'd rather, be able to pick something that I want, like, $5 off or something like that, or whatever. But anyway, usually I got a bunch of samples, and the lady said she wasn't giving me the samples. And, and then when I checked out, I usually just use my Ulta card, and I just put my phone number, and it comes up, and she's like, no, I had to use my actual card. It was like, she was like a passive-aggressive type person. What you gonna do? So, Target, I got $5 off a coupon from them, or 5% off, which doesn't even cover tax. But I got some Elderberry gummy bears. That really helped me. I didn't get sick for probably over a year until I got the COVID. And then, I got sick a couple of times since. But I was expecting to get sick this month. If the pattern was every 2 months, I expected to get sick this month, but I didn't. Thank God. So that's really all I got. I know my CVS card expires tomorrow's the last day I could use it, so I got $3 off of something. So I'll go there tomorrow. And then, Krispy Kreme, I got a free box of donuts. I don't even like my local Krispy Kreme. I don't even know why it's still open, because they never have the new stuff. It's really hard to get the new stuff from them. So yeah, I'm going to use that tomorrow. I called Sephora, and they shipped me the Laura Mercier birthday gift. This is really great. No, I don't have to pay for nothing, no problems or nothing. They just did it. 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes. A couple of minutes and I was done, though. I already got my email that I'm getting it. Yeah, I did get some stuff. Yeah, because that's what I was paying for when I was there. A Puerto Rico palette by BH Cosmetics. So the colors in here are mostly warm toned, not really my thing, but it does have some berry tones colors in there. So that's the Puerto Rico palette. And then I got the Hawaii palette. I don't know how long you've been following me. I know I'm not like a popular guru, but I lived in Hawaii for like 3 years. And these colors are more neutral, so I appreciate that. And they do, again, have some berry toned colors in there. So I probably will put these on together. And also, these were absolutely adorable. I got the LA Colors tea palettes. So I got What's the Tea with the matcha palette. So of course you're going to have greens in there. So the matcha palette has green shades and some browns in there. That's the matcha palette. It's just so cute, little teas. Then the brown palette. This is the Let's Talk Tea, the chai latte palette. Oh, it's my bad hand. And of course, that has the neutrally colors, and it's got a mixture of warm and cool tones. So I appreciate that. And then the last one is called Spill the Tea, and that's the berry palette. So that's cute. So, yeah, that's it. A little disappointing. Who knows what I'll get tomorrow. Moisturizer, I don't know. With $3 off from CVS. And that's really all that's going down with the you know, with the birthday. So I remember I used to rack up on goodies, but anyway, so yeah, so that's it. So next week I'll do another berry palette, because I think I have 3 or 4 berry palettes in there. So so yeah, so I already took pictures. I had to touch up my makeup, but yeah, so that's that. I will see you next week. Mwah.